Every civilization has asked the same question, not how to live, but how it ends. Ancient cultures imagined fire raining from the sky, floods sent by angry gods, darkness swallowing the sun. But today, we don't rely on myths. We rely on data. We have satellites watching Earth breathe, telescopes peering back 13.8 billion years, and equations that predict the fate of stars. Science doesn't ask if the world will end. It asks how and when. Tonight we're going to explore the most realistic endings for our world, not from movies, not from prophecy, but from physics, biology, and astronomy. From climate collapse to cosmic impacts, to the slow death of the universe itself. This is how the world is going to end, according to science. Let's begin with the ending that isn't sudden. No explosions, no monsters, no dramatic final moment, just heat. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have released over 2 trillion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. That gas traps heat, like wrapping Earth in a thicker and thicker blanket. The result? The last decade has been the hottest in recorded history. But climate change isn't just about warmer weather, it's about systems failing. Ice reflects sunlight. When ice melts, leads to Earth absorbs more heat, leads to more ice melts. Permafrost thaws. It releases methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times stronger than CO2. Oceans warm, warm water holds less oxygen. Marine ecosystems suffocate. This isn't one disaster, it's a cascade. Jakarta, Indonesia is sinking. Not metaphorically, literally. Some parts of the city sink over 10 inches per year. Why? Rising seas, groundwater pumping, soft soil collapsing under millions of people. By 2050, over 200 million humans could be displaced by rising seas alone. That's not the future. That's now. There's a limit to what the human body can survive. It's called wet bulb temperature. At 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit wet bulb, sweat no longer cools your body, even in the shade, even with water, even naked. Your organs overheat. Your brain shuts down. You die in hours. Some regions of Earth are already flirting with that boundary. If large areas cross it permanently, humans don't go extinct, but civilization does. Climate change doesn't kill directly, it kills infrastructure. Then comes migration. When millions move at once, borders strain, resources shrink, fear spreads. History shows us what happens next. The fall of Rome, the Bronze Age collapse, the Mayan decline, not ended by one event, but by many small ones stacking up. Before the Syrian civil war, the region experienced its worst drought in 900 years. Crops failed, farmers flooded cities, tensions exploded. Climate didn't start the war, but it lit the fuse. Earth lives in a cosmic shooting gallery. Every day, rocks pass our planet. Most miss, some don't. 66 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide asteroid hit Earth, where Mexico is today. The result? Firestorms across continents. A dust cloud blocking the sun, years of freezing darkness. 75% of all species vanished, including the dinosaurs. In 2013, a meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. It came from the direction of the sun. We never saw it. Windows shattered across 6 cities. 1,500 people injured. That rock was only 60 feet wide. Now imagine one 1,000 times larger. The sun feels eternal, but it's on a clock. In about 5 billion years, it will run out of hydrogen fuel. It will expand into a red giant, so large it will swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. If Earth survives, it won't be habitable. Oceans boil, atmosphere escapes, life ends. Not violently, quietly. The most dangerous threat might not come from space, it might come from us. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than any technology in history. We are building systems that learn, adapt, optimize, outperform humans. If misaligned, they won't be evil, they'll be indifferent. And indifference can be more dangerous than hate. Imagine an AI told to make paperclips. It gets smarter, it gets faster. Eventually it sees the planet as raw material, not malicious, just efficient. Pandemics are natural, but now they're faster. Global travel means viruses can circle Earth in hours. COVID showed us how fragile systems are, how quickly trust breaks, how fear spreads faster than disease. Future pandemics may not be so forgiving. Zoom out, way out, the universe is expanding and accelerating. Galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, no new stars form, just cold, empty space. This is called heat death, not destruction, just silence, forever. Some endings are inevitable: asteroids, the sun, the universe. But climate collapse, that one is ours. We are writing it. Right now, the world isn't ending tomorrow, but it is changing faster than any civilization ever has. The real question isn't, how does the world end? It's, what kind of ending are we choosing?